When we talk about cloud computing in SAP, there are two terminologies. First is SAP Cloud and second is SAP Cloud Platform. Let's see what these are. SAP Cloud is about three types of offering. First is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. In the infrastructure as a service, SAP provides hardware, runtime environment, and software. An example of this service is HANA Enterprise Cloud HEC. The next part is platform as a service. In this model, SAP provides a runtime environment for the application development, tools, and services to integrate the existing solutions and to develop the new solutions and many more. This is known as SAP Cloud Platform. Previously, it was called HANA Cloud Platform, but later it was renamed as SAP Cloud Platform because people were getting confused. They were thinking that it is only related to HANA and it cannot run any other application. But we can host applications that are developed in technologies like Java, HTML5, SAP UI5, SAP HANA Extended Application Services, or SAP HANA Extended Application Services Advanced Model. We will look into it in more detail in the upcoming videos. In the software as a service model, SAP provides many types of subscription based solutions. These are pay as you use service model. Some of the examples are SAP Ariba, that is a supply chain software. It provides cloud based procurement, spend management, and supply chain services that enable suppliers and buyers to connect and do businesses globally. Next example is SuccessFactor. It provides cloud-based solution to manage various HR functions such as business alignments, people performance, recruitment, and learning activities for all sizes of organizations in more than 60 industries. SAP Concur is a cloud-based solution to improve process automation, integration, and analytics across travel and expense processes while providing a modern user experience and comprehensive mobile support. The last but not least example of software as a service model from SAP is SAP Analytics Cloud. SAP Analytics Cloud provide business intelligence. It is made specifically with the intent of providing all analytics capability to all users in one product.